Hello friends. So in this session, we'll be going to discuss about theory of corona formation, or else you can say it as basic principle of corona. So you have to understand in a very simple manner. So corona is nothing but this will be produced in between two conductors in a free air, also in a free space. So that uh, in normal condition, some ionization is always present in the air due to cosmic rays or UV radiations, and also can say it as radioactivity. Therefore, under normal conditions, the air around the conductors contains some ionized particle. Ionized particle means which consists of free electrons, positive ions, as well as neutral molecules. So in this case, whenever if voltage is applied between the two conductors, potential gradient is set up in the air. Else there will be an electric field between the air, electric field intensity in air, which will have maximum value of conductor surfaces. So under the influence of potential gradient, the existing free electrons acquire greater velocities. The greater apply voltage, which means that if the voltage applied is more, the potential gradient is also more. Due to that, the velocity of free electrons also more. So that when the potential gradient at the conductor surface reaches about 30 kilovolts per centimeter, that will be the maximum value. Means if the potential gradient of the conductor is maximum, the velocity acquired by the free electrons is also maximum, that is sufficient to strike a neutral molecule with enough force to dislodge one or more electrons from it. So this produces another ion and one or more free electrons, which is turned or accelerated until they collide with other neutral molecules, thus producing other ions. So that this process of ionization is cumulative. The result of this ionization is that either corona is formed or spark takes place between two conductors. So in general words, how can say? So when the voltage applied between two conductors, potential gradient is set up in air, so which will be having the maximum value at the conductor surfaces. So under the influence of this potential gradient, the the free electrons which acquires more velocity, also greater velocity, so that if the voltage applied is more, the potential gradient is more, so that the velocity of free electrons also more. So due to this fact, velocity acquired by the free electrons is sufficient to strike neutral molecules with enough force to dislodge one or more electrons from it, because potential gradient at the conductor surface reaches maximum value, that will be 30 kilovolts per centimeter. So because of this will be results in ionization in that either corona is formed or else sparks takes place between the conductors. Thank you.